Over the past 3 months, my browser's blocked 146,000 ads. I'm Flock, this is just the tip. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. You know, I bet the idea of blocking ads gets you just as excited as me. How about getting paid to watch videos? Is that doing it for you? What if I said it was free to download on any platform? Well, spoiler alert, Brave browser is packing all this and more. Now, you wouldn't want someone like Mom sneaking a peek at your browser history. I know I wouldn't. But also, for those looking to walk on the dark side, Brave has Tor built right in. This will keep you anonymous in the no-no zone. That's all for now. I'm Flock. This is just the tip.